Fifth question. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. And taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Nodri, ಎಷ್ಟು easy question ಐತಿ ಇದು. First step ಏನ್ರಿ, we have to draw line segment of length 8 cm. Now, first step. Second step, taking A as center, we should draw a circle of the radius 4 cm. Now, taking B as center, we should draw the circle of the radius 3 cm. These three steps we will do now. Here, draw 8 cm length line segment. Let this be A and this be B point. From A we should draw the circle of radius. A has center 4 cm. Now B has center, we should draw a circle of 3 cm. We will draw here circle. Now B as center, we have to draw 3 cm radius circle. Taking 3 cm radius, should draw another circle. Now, see, now next step is we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this AB. For drawing perpendicular bisector, what we will do? We will take more than half of this AB. Now cut an intersection arc from point B. Now join these two intersection arcs. See, let the intersection point be our M. Now M as center and MB has a radius, draw a circle. Here you can take MB or AM, both are same. If we draw the line segment of 8 cm and if we draw perpendicular bisector of that, we will get how many centimeter? 8 by 2. Now we are getting intersection point. See, these 2 points and these 2 points. From A point we have to join this. You can name here P, R, here X, Y. So now joining the points. See, now AP and AR are the tangent to the circle from point A. Now XB and YB are the tangents from the point B. Now we will see justification. See, BPA is 90 degree here. From 4.1 theorem you have learnt that. See, I will write this. Angle BPA is equals to 90 degree. Reason we can write angle in the semicircle. In 9th class you have learnt, no? See, this is semicircle AB, and this, if you can take the arc X or P. See here, this is semicircle, this is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle, if you are remembered students. Therefore we can write AP is perpendicular to BP. Now BP is, so we have, if we join this, BP will be our, BP is the radius of the circle. Then AP has to be a tangent to a circle. Tangent of the circle. If they ask you to measure the tangent length, at that time you should apply here Pythagoras.